Welcome back, all you warriors. Another episode of Elite Landscapes Life Stories. It's Monday. It's cold. May 1st, I'm back in my winter gear. Whatever. Not that bad. I can't complain too much. So, back at the castle. We're starting off right here. We got to trim this Bartlett Pear Tree down because he got way crazy tall. I don't think he's ever been trimmed. So, we're going to top him like fruit trees should be, so you can access the fruit itself easily and just kind of have them kind of come down. So that's what she was like before. We've already done a couple plantings up at the pond. We've already cleaned out the filters of the pond, and we're in the process of vacuuming a little bit of the extra sludge that has already collected. It just got deep cleaned a couple weeks ago and it's already kind of crazy. But I watched a expert pond video on YouTube yesterday to give me some knowledge. And some algae is good, some algae is bad. Some algae needs to be taken away. But bottom line is, shouldn't be using chemicals in your koi fish or goldfish ponds. So we're gonna approach it differently, and I guess we'll talk about that probably in a different video because I don't have time today. I'm on a crunch. I'm trying to get out of this property. You guys all know how it is when you've been on a property for so long. You're just ready to get out of there. So we're wrapping it up. I'll show you everything as we go. All right, so I got it shaped for now, shaped for this season. I was a little bit behind schedule getting this thing trimmed back because the spring just hit so fast here, like mid-March, early March. It was already 80 degrees, so I'm gonna leave this so when it bears fruit, you just get it from the wall. And those will weep down a little bit too once they get some fruit on it. Now, don't get me wrong, that's not sweet tasting, yummy pears that you love to eat. That's more for baking and such. So, yeah, not something you want to be driving around on the mower and be like, oh, I'm hungry. No good, all right? That's a Bartlett. I'm gonna go up here and catch up with Dalton. He's been vacuuming the pond, and it's always such a mess. I'll show you what's going on. We gotta redo some stuff. So obviously, we're getting a whole lot of that muck out of the pond because now it's over to fresh mulch. Or maybe we did that in reverse order, but we were trying to get stuff accomplished for their Saturday stuff. So we're getting it done. I'll show you after we mulch the area, all the different plants we put in, and we'll touch base, show you what we're doing. Show you how I clean the pond is. All right, everybody, I'm back. I didn't get much footage of actual work today, but I was really in like a high stress go mode to get this property finished up and wrapped up. So I'm just gonna walk you through what we got done, and I will throw out the plant tags, names that we used on this landscape project, just in case you're interested in putting them on your property, okay? We'll throw them tags out at the end of the video, all right? Let's walk around, show what we got done. Looks beautiful. I'm really, really happy with it. So we can see here, these plants are finally coming back a little bit. They have nice green leaves all over them now. These are the ones that suffered a lot from the cold, and the whole hedge was like dead. So we finished up here, and this is in the very, very back. No one sees this area. We didn't take time to edge the bed and make it all manicured. But that's all right. Let's go this way. We did this path of the clubhouse last year with the rock border. I put this crepe myrtle in here, transplanted it this year. All right, so here's my favorite part of the whole property. Let's look at it. Finally, the pond is just about perfect. Did a lot of vacuuming today, got it all nice and squared away. New hydrangea, old hydrangea, new hydrangea. So that'll fill in like a nice hydrangea bed now, right here in front of the gazebo. Got two little variegated hostas. And those hang out in the shade, so they'll get pretty big. So we got this all freshly mulched up, and like I said, the ones we planted last year are coming back. These are seasonal mums. We got clusters throughout. They come up later in the season. But he's turning out good. I mean, I'm not gonna complain. Even little pansies came back strong. All right, guys, we are back. I'm not gonna take too much time right now. It's already been a whole day since I was on that property. We mowed grass all day long. It's like 12:20 at night, trying to finish up this video. So I told you I'd show you the plant tags at the end of the video, and I'm definitely gonna do that. The Alder-Lucan laurels were replacements. The azaleas were replacements, and I always get plants that have a 1-year guarantee on them for the plant, not for my time involved to go purchase the new plant and put the new plant in the ground. I always charge for that. Same price as always to all my clients. Yeah, that was 6 days of hardcore work, and mentally, I know it's going to happen every single year, especially on that whole cul-de-sac of properties that I have. It's really hard and challenging. Physically, you can't get ready for it, and you can barely make it through. So, huge thank you to my crew, my family. They helped me out accomplish those missions. So, like I always say, be good if you can, always be kind, and above all, love each other. Peace. Check these plants out. They're beautiful plants, and maybe they would go good on your property. We got the Alder-Lucan cherry laurel. The azalea, autumn sangria. It reblooms. We got the emerald green that we use for the screening. And this new one, the Cliera japonica, it's new for me. I've never used it. We're gonna have to see if it actually lasts in my zone, because I'm pretty sure I'm in a 6B zone, and they keep selling plants that are zone 7. Some of them are killing out in their cold times. The hydrangea that we put in the ground is a good example of that. If I want this little dude to stay alive, I'm gonna have to bury him in mulch over the winter time. Probably like 8 inches of mulch on top of the new trimmed back section of the plant. The variegated hosta with the Patriot, nice little plant. I like the variegated ones. Some of the green ones have prettier flowers and get more huge, but I like the looks of these. And I needed something up there at the top of the pond waterfall that was gonna have full sun and actually spread its legs and grow. So we're gonna go with these and see what happens. You never know.